What's up, you guys? Back for another video. Yeah, today we're gonna go cruise around and see what we can get ourselves into. I know it's been about a week since I posted or uploaded a video, and I apologize about that. I've been super swamped, but yeah, I'll make it up to you guys, and yeah, let's go for a little spin. I don't know who these people are. They're waving at me. Whoa. Everyone's waving at me today. Hi.
You look comfortable.
Thank you. You look very comfortable.
It's like a lot of fun.
Yes, it's a lot of fun. I think that lady was referring to my manhood being compressed into a pancake against my tank as far as being comfortable. Oh man, I'm really full. Whoa, dude. I am definitely turning around because this thing looks cool. Whoa. Oh, we were totally getting this. What is this thing? Dude, this thing. Yes. Yes. Oh my God, this is beautiful. That's a... Oh, he lost his hat. I gotta talk to this guy. Dude, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. It's got a Volkswagen engine in that thing. Oh man. Alright, you guys, I don't want to do this, but I'm totally doing it because I want to catch up to this guy. Yes. Dude, that guy's doing wheelies. That thing is doing wheelies, you guys. I'm so waiting for this guy. This is gonna make my day. If this guy sells this thing, I'm totally buying it. And that thing is fast too, you guys. I am not even kidding. Come on, buddy. I hope he comes up here. He lost his hat twice already. That thing is awesome. That's a VW motor, right? That thing's fast. Thousands? 8,000? That thing is awesome. It's from the 70s? Nice. Yeah? It does wheelies. Oh, really? I'm gonna ride next to you. I want to see you do a wheelie. No, you won't. Oh my my God, that thing is awesome. You what?
I just gonna run down the lake and back.
Nice. Dude, this thing's fast.
Burbles a little bit.
It what?
I don't like it's got dual levers on it.
Oh, yeah? That thing's awesome. It's probably comfortable.
Not bad. It's a little better than the Jet.
Yeah?
Well, that looks fun.
What?
That looks fun.
It's not comfortable.
In 79 I had the 750 Honda set up for road racing Daytona.
Really?
Blew it up Brainerd. Did 153 in those skinny tires back then.
Oh my God.
79.
Oh my God. This guy's getting serious. He got his helmet out. It's so loud. This guy might be my new best friend, you guys. I could be doing moto vlogs if he's got one for sale. Oh my God, that thing is amazing. What do you guys think of that? Put it in the comments below. Would you ride on that thing? Because I know I would. Uh-oh. Oh, it stops good. Backfiring. He just lifts it up. This guy has made my month. Oh my God, you guys. This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life. My camera is almost dead, you guys. Oh, that just made my day. I'm gonna have to end the video on that, you guys. My camera's almost dead. And I'm full on tacos, and we got Volkswagen trikes doing wheelies. It's getting out of control. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And yeah, also you guys make sure you turn on all notifications now on YouTube. You click the bell and it'll say all notifications. Then every time I upload, none of you guys will miss a video. Look at that thing. Alright, that's it, you guys. I will catch you on the next video, alright? Peace.
Try to drive the red light. I could run through the fire. I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to drive the red